Designing a children's bedroom takes a lot of work. You need to do a lot of things to get to your desired output. This video will show the steps taken in designing a bedroom for two girls and how much hard work is put into it. First step is to review the contract documents to see the plan of the bedroom. The room is 3.5 meters by 4 meters, an ample amount of space for two girls. The designers made a conceptual bunk bed-like design that has a study area at the bottom of the beds. Its stairs are also used as extra storage space for toys, clothes, and the like. After a concrete concept has been achieved, it is time for some 3D modeling using SketchUp. First step is to use the CAD drawings and use elevations, sections, and floor plans to make a 3D model of the room. It's important to use accurate dimensions and specifications specified in the contract documents to make a precise visualization of the design. Using layers and groups are also encouraged to have an organized workflow in the program. The 3D warehouse is a great tool to get some detail in the 3D model. It contains a lot of furniture, decorations, and even entourage. These are used to get the sense of fullness in the final rendering, and so that the perspective doesn't look so dull. This is the final 3D model. With the model done, it is now time to add corresponding materials. As much as possible, use VR mats. VR mats allow you to have presets of realistic looking renders in the final perspective. Although, you still need to edit some of these VR mats because some may be too exaggerated to be realistic. Before rendering, you need to set your options. VR ops are there as presets to get to the realistic rendering. These are downloadable online. You also need to set up proper lighting. IS lights is an option for V-Ray. These lights are presets of lighting that are designed to look as accurate as possible in real life. These are a great option to have realistic rendering in the final output. Make sure that the field of view is 45 degrees. But in this case, we used 55 degrees because it is a small room and we want to see more in the photo render. Also, the eye height should be set at 1.6 meters to accurately represent what a person in the room can see. Rendering takes a lot of time depending on your computer specs. A good GPU gives you faster render speeds and it's worth it. I use Photoshop to post-process the renders. I adjusted the lighting, contrast, and brightness. I use an LUT to give the photo render a warm feel. Of course, revisions are part of the design process. Your client, boss, or whoever may want something different, and that's alright. The client is specifically asked to change the color of the walls. The construction of the bed frame is also changed, and this must be revised in the 3D model, also to have an accurate rendering. After all these revisions and hard work, the final rendering is done.